What's up everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Today we're going to be drawing a bottlenose dolphin. I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil eraser and hit pause if I go too fast. So I'm going to start with the eye, just get his head in the right position, right? So we go, center point of my page is about here, come up over to the left. Head's here and the back curves all the way down. So we'll just put an eye just here first to get us started. We're kind of going for like the shape of a grain of rice, right? And you can leave a highlight, right? So what you can do, we'll put it here. So we'll leave a little highlight and maybe another one in the corner. Right, and then you color the rest black. So you're just leaving a little shine just in the eye. And then around that eye, we have eyelid lines. Top and bottom, like so, and then like an eyebrow sort of frowning sort of area here, like that. So just out here, right, we have the start of the snout and the mouth is real close to the eye. So we'll do, so the mouth line, right, comes down this way. And so curves just down the back here. It curves out towards the nose, so real long. At the top of that bottle nose is here. And the bottom will stick out a little bit further here. And then it'll sort of curve back this way. So real small eye compared to the rest of his body, right? So we have a big arch that goes the whole way down to the tail from right at the tip of the nose, right? So we'll go around for the head and the skull first, right? It's roughly the shape we got. And then this keeps going, right? A big curve. Way down to about there. The bottom of the body then kind of bumps out here. We've got some wrinkles for skin and stuff. And then it comes back down and meets the tail down here. Okay, so we've got that center point for the tail, which goes back up, and we have some light lines going back that way. And then the tail itself comes down like this on one side, and then like this on the other side. And then it curves around like so, and it can have like little bits taken out, you know, like lines like that, because it's like a skin flap sort of thing. Like so. And just some stuff like that. Right, so fins. So we have a fin coming out from the back of the body here. Line, it has like patterns and sort of edge lines just to make it look a little bit three-dimensional. And then the fin up this side, just here, hooks around, back up, in, and then down into the body there somewhere. And there'll be like sort of wrinkles around this, you know, where it sort of connects to his body, like sort of a shoulder muscle and stuff. Maybe an edge just on this. Then another sort of stomach line here, and our dolphin usually has like a darker grey pattern of skin that comes around, like sort of touches the fin here, and then I'll go down the body this way somewhere. So it's like light grey here and dark grey up here. So you can add like some sort of back muscles and things. Maybe like a line just around the eye, like this, sort of a bump for the brow. And a line coming across the bottlenose thing there. So just little light lines like this just to show some skin. And the blowhole will be just sort of above the eye. What we can see of it anyway, real thin. Just there, maybe a line coming down like so. Right, so fin, is it the dorsal? Is that what it's called? I think it is. So it just bumps up and around here. The back, and again, you can have sort of little chunks taken out of it if you want. Like that. And then an extra sort of lines on it, like texture lines and stuff. Like so. And then add a bit of color or a bit of shade, whatever you'd like, but that's it. That's how to draw a bottlenose dolphin. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.